seeing what you are about. To see is a lot of foul language. So viewer description is advised. Also enjoy.
Watch out, faggot! What? I was just helping you. I thought that was your fucking hand. Wait till they leave, fool. Bye. I think I shit myself.
I should be doing the brake pads and shit. About to replace them right now.
Right?
How you gonna fucking...
You're not gonna bring it, you're just gonna go over there and fucking come
How
back.
you gonna fucking inside the mini bike?
It's like... Put a hop on there and stop. Whatever stop you can get.
You barely fit under, fool.
Look, let me just go, I'll demonstrate.
What do you do? Oh, to work? I feel sad, honestly. I'll just sell my shit. I'll get an EF, bucket EF, try to make holes in the hood, cut the fenders, make it look fast. I don't know who the fuck you're talking about. I know you're not talking about me, motherfucker. I'm not saying no names then.
You're just talking about me, nigga, calm down. I'm gonna sell this shit though. I don't know. I wanna get it for 50.
For 50?
I wanna go back to being fast.
Loctite, show your subscribers.
Huh?
Show your subscribers.
Oh, Kelly.
I use this shit, my boy. The good stuff. It's like strawberries.
Strawberry.
It's cherry, verga.
Never heard of cherry verga before.
Done, bro.
Y Kylie, like that.
Hey, you're still not done, motherfucker? No, bitch, I had to fucking twist this stupid motherfucker. Oh, true.
So the first one's done right here.
Bring that shit fucking pussy.
New brake pads.
Oh, true.
Look at the Z. Quad tips. This is crazy. Beamer.
How?
Don't trade, nigga. I get them for free. I sell them to you.
Ah, you bitch, you suck them off.
That's the name of the game, fool. Games, all I really got.
Shit's valid, bro.
Fucking start blaming me for shit again?
Dije nombres, güey. Dije como que aquí le pegaron, güey. Pero mira, ahí está el putacillo. Tranquilo.
Bien puto con el carro, con el dueño.
¿Cómo qué, güey?
Oye, pues,
These are the old ones. Damn. Shits are fucking gone.
no shit, whenever you do oil change, las cosas bien pa' chequearlas.
Okay.
Just to check them.
You just fucking blast
I posted on the Snapchat.
No, no, man.
Neta, güey. I
No,
posted. Y en la shit me hizo ban, güey.
Wow.
Neta, güey. Te lo juro, güey.
I wonder why. I wonder why.
I don't know, güey.
Like it's Russian, way. It's Russian.
Agárrasela.
That's not what they say.
CP,
Nigga was speaking Arabic and they all
Ah,
was
CP.
Hey, give me that socket that's right there behind you, güey. By the magnets. Do it.
Damn, güey, si te ganó, güey.
You feel me, dog?
Yeah, hell yeah, baby.
CP. Out of all that stuff, he's gonna have to put music in the background. That way, that should be like a minute or two long.
I see red.
It's just stupid like that.
That shit's all bad.
Yeah, let me show you.
What the fuck, it's popping? Fuck, bro, that shit goes like 50 miles per hour. That's what they told me. That shit's crazy, bro. Yeah, that's just fucking badass.
You gotta move with the throttle a little bit, just slowly.
Hella fresh. Yeah, this shit's hella fresh.
This one's faster too.
This one?
I drove that shit fool. I popped the wheelie, man. I popped the wheelie like it's fucking high and ain't shit, man. Fuck that car.
Güey, por si no hay puto pinche culo, güey.
Oh, you have coolant? Well, that sucks, man. Hey, porque it's a two-step. It doesn't even two-step, way.
It gotta be first gear. It's only for launching. It's not for shifting.
Sí, güey.
Oh, the difference.
Este pinche ya me robó la contata, le dice, güey.
Huh?
That's why it's a two-step no more. You have this Honda.
We put a stock LS in it.
Le puso
Imagine.
el pinche ni ella a la verga ahí.
Wow, güey, tengo mocos todo en mi pinche ojo, güey.
Échaselos en la cara a este.
I'm annoying your bad, dog. Your bad looks good from there.
Ese, güey, ¿quién fue el bug, güey?
Eres rico tú, güey. Eres rico, cabrón.
That's not bad.
Yes, güey. Getting fucking new cars every week.
True. Che rico, cabrón.
I told fool put me on. No quiere, cabrón. That's fucked up.
Hey,
I haven't do it in a minute, güey, neta.
that's fucked up,
I haven't do it in a minute, güey. Tengo como... Tengo que no lo hago, güey.
Oh, damn, dog, don't be over in front of me, dog.
What was this food, dog? Wait,
You good, dog?
What the fuck? You say chow porn?
This nigga said CP, so I was like, oh, Luis said chow point.
es PC, güey. Yo tengo así, güey, pero sticks, güey.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sticks, dude. Yeah, güey.
3-inch exhaust.
Your daily or what?
Huh?
Your daily or what?
Nah,
No?
no, I had it like
Oh, years ago?
3 years ago.
Oh.
Or 2 years. It was my second car.
¿Cuál año?
Or 10, güey.
Oh, shit.
10.
Oh,
Nine or
the first gen, huh?
Yeah, that
Yeah.
one, yeah.
Some heavy ass tires.
They're good for gas. These shits.
Okay. Aquel tiene como 200,000 millas, güey. Está corría bien con el stock clutch, güey.
Oh, shit.
White line, güey, white line.
The way you drive clutch, fool? I don't think so, dog.
Toque, my front clutch on tiempo, güey. And when you're racing the Accord, güey, I'm
Those
like,
are-
we had to swap drivers.
Those will
güey.
make you fun of you, dog.
Swap
That's how you
drivers,
wanna
Este
hide it.
depende, no quiere, güey. Güey, no mames, güey. Nunca he tenido un 6.4, güey. No mames.
No mames, güey. My shit has stage 4 and fool still fucking bang gears.
Pero
Perfect.
tú porque sabes, verga.
No sé, I don't know how to drive stick shit. I just know it.
Lo mismo, yo sé, pero no sé así a saber. A saber.
Mira, güey, una cosa, güey. If you ever wanna test the car, llévame a mí, güey, y I'll test the fuck out of the car. If it fucks up with me, that means it doesn't work. If it doesn't fuck
Luis is a
up,
bad driver, that's why.
no, hell no, fool.
Fuck, I
Izzy,
blew up multiple fucking cars.
Izzy, I'm a bad driver. I just push the cars to the fucking limit.
Yeah, nigga.
Hell no, I just push the cars to the limits, man. Is it hell with me? Fool, that motor in the DA way lasted, fool. How long?
Bad is an understatement, fool. It's a disrespect saying that he's a bad guy. He's a terrible fucking guy.
Fuck you, motherfucker, always swerving and shit.
He's a drift professional, dog.
Hell no, nigga can't even drift, fool. Goes off-road, hits the
Fuck,
curves
no,
and shit.
can I
the
swing
whole
it?
point.
Oh no, you never been in the car for me swinging.
He can't
it.
swing it, way. This fool goes to the dirt. He goes to the fucking dirt instead.
Fuck no, hey, go bring me my tires so I can show all you motherfuckers right now.
Nigga, I said you can't. I'm over here defending your ass, bitch.
Go. Oh, not you, everybody else.
I've been in the car with this nigga. He knows how to swing it.
Hell no, way. This one he does circle
Except
way.
he likes to go close to the edge, but he doesn't see how close he is, and then he goes off.
Fucking
That's
easy him
why.
at
That's
350,
why.
remember?
Oh yeah, that shit had an open.
He doesn't
dick,
know how to
fool.
drive, way, but that's the way.
That fool hit it
You're
hard.
a hater, fool.
Me puto mofle me lo chocó así.
Fool, this fool couldn't drift, way. I had to help show him how to drift the truck. It's hard body, way.
Hey, cause I didn't want to blow that shit. I said 1,000,000 miles. You didn't give a fuck if you blew it up. Nigga.
Hey, no bullshit, way. This one does, way, but I like talking shit. But it's truck, way. Esa troquita, como le pisé second gear.
This was 500,000 miles. We stopped red
Hey,
lighting
wait,
that shit.
perfectly. You see, I was doing perfect, don't I?
Yeah, I was getting
I
it,
was drifting
fool.
the fuck out of it perfectly. I have the video still.
The one that he posted on his on IG?
I think so.
Yeah.
That one, buddy?
Y Luis te ganó, ¿viste, güey?
No, this one have to twist, way. It's a bitch.
Oh.
No, way, no. It's easy way, Even this one could do it. No, way, you could do it.
Oh, I screwed on myself.
Oh. No tengo tiempo, güey. Me han cansado del trabajo. ¿No
Yeah.
trabajas tú, güey? Famoso, güey. Oye,
You work over there?
Famoso.
This is why Famoso, he works next to Famoso.
No, es famoso, güey. Así se llama la compañía.
Oh, neta?
Es-
Oh, shit.
No, neta, güey. Famoso Nuts Company, güey.
Oh, shit.
Motherfucker, what's that famoso, nigga? I was like,
Es
damn.
vencible.
Hey, you know how to bust nuts, though?
Yeah.
Can you make me bust a nut?
Se fue recorded, güey. Bueno, de ahí, güey.
Watch, all
Oh,
times we say
so-
something, so be beep, beep, beep.
The whole fucking.
Fucking video, güey, que empieza. Hola,
I'm gonna put on the title, Game Mechanics.
Your discretion is advised.
Show him the fish, güey.
Oh, nah.
I'm kind of afraid we shouldn't kick with these fools and work on the cars.
Oh, fuck.
This was the beat up, clapped out fucking boosted EK, and this was a beat up F series.
Hell no.
Fucker, you have a beat up fucking car that doesn't even run. Motherfucker,
all your
dog.
shit.
Run it right now without getting pulled over. That's what I
Ooh.
fucking
I
thought,
could
bitch.
drive that
Not
shit.
even
Bring your
street
car right
legal.
now. Bring your car
Not
right
even
now.
street legal.
No tiene vidrio, no tiene vidrio.
Hey, full window. I put the windows down, wait. Arrow.
Hey, you know what, fool? You're a pussy because you need a windshield. This one doesn't have a windshield, dog.
That's bussy. Customers.
Can't drive my
That's little
car.
kid stuff.
I can't drive my car. My windshield's broken.
That's you.
I drove the shit out of it. I said I did a
No, you
burnout.
didn't. I just told you, can you take me home? No, I can't. I can't.
Well, I
do
mean,
it.
that's a talent, fool. No mames.
Exactly.
¿Cuánto de placas, güey?
Eso nothing. I just need to do the my windshield way. I did do the smog. That's it. And record the truck.
All right.
Record the truck right.
Go on this side over here. So you can see the number.
The specs.
Fuck up, bitch. Fucking kiss you.
Imagine all that shit gets hella likes. Funny as fuck.
This one gets banned.
If it blows up, if you blow up because of this video, dog.
You have to shoot either hella money. Dog.
Yeah, we can have.
I'm gonna blow it to jail, go CPT, güey.
And if it goes to jail. I only have like 300 subscribers.
Hey,
No, no, what?
something.
That's a little bit. Not for long, fool.
Shoot the Pornhub.
Because we're like doing breaks on the Scion TC and then you get hella views, dog. There it is. Done.
Hey, now you can make money.
Fee finder.
What's your fee finder?
Fee finder. Fee finder.
Eh, güey, last time estaban en Twitter, güey. Yeah,
This one has extra foot, toe. Wait, look at his toe.
Oh, 7 toes?
You say where?
Eh, güey, last time, I recall my feet, güey. Ah, sorry. Güey, el otro estaba en Twitter, güey. Y no, Twitter es como, no, porno, güey. Güey, había una niña como la de unos
Look, Jason's downloading Twitter right now.
I already had that shit, dog.
Oh shit, he was ready, wait. He's ready.
Now-
Were you just peeing right now?
Like straight
Vamos a
fucking
guardarla,
asparagus.
Hey, were you peeing right now?
Eh?
You know that's illegal way to pee right there?
Where?
Pee. You know that's illegal to
I
pee?
didn't pee, I just did the color right there.
You know how illegal that is, wait? Was you're holding small man's cock.
You know how illegal it is to hold 11
Oh yeah,
years
you're holding 11 years cock. No, wait.
Fuck that, go slow, go slow.
Okay.
La
Okay.
Where the flames at? Where the flames?
Okay, these said the guy. You know that's illegal. It's like, why is it illegal? Was that's a grown man holding a little kid's cock, something like that.
Pecker.
Oh,
No,
you're
shut the fuck up.
Pecker,
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Slow ass fucking piece of shit.
That's why you're a grown man holding a man. Look,
Yeah, shut the fuck up. Just shut the fuck up.
Pinche Luis. Para otro, güey. Da las ideas más rápido, verga.
What's your profanity? What's your profanity?
What's your profanity?
CP of PC, wait.
Finally. You got the
Shut the fuck up.
Luis, what'd you do over there?
Me?
Yeah, tell him.
Nomás rompimos la
Okay.
line.
Oh, with this shit or which one?
with this shit.
Oh,
We had to loosen
the
we had to loosen this bolt because it wasn't pulling enough to get the angle.
Okay.
But now it's good.
Basically, Luis fucked it up.
Yeah, he fucked it up.
Fuck you, bitch.
Rip it off.
Oh shit! No!
Hola, mira, Luis. Hey, what's up, motherfucker? Hey, wait, look what this fool did, güey.
Oh, Luis.
Not bad, bro.
You're good. Nah, it's cool. It's just dirty.
A
Couple 300, that's it.
Fool, is he my employee? He helped me out.
Oh, that.
No, my partner will help me out with that. Damn, fool, your neck.
Look at my foot, your fucking dirty ass fucking
And your neck is back, wait.
You fucking skunk ass nigga.
Your neck is
Where the
back.
bolts at, fool? Where the bolts at?
Oh, you kicked them, way.
Right there, like two right there.
Give me the Loctite, give me the Loctite.
No, these 10 is the back abajo.
I'm a better
Give me
fucking
Loctite,
light
give me
guy
Loctite,
than
Loctite's
this
over there,
nigga
Loctite's
right
over there.
I haven't even let go, eh. Come on. I like that shit better than what's his name, Luis?
Amarra la línea, güey.
Hell yeah.
What?
We just fired, fool. This was hired as a light holder.
He's like, you're gonna yell at stupid ass.
Flash your right, mother. Oh, fuck.
Don't forget the Loctite. Loctite. Because fuck the next nigga that takes this shit off.
You're dumbass.
He doesn't want me cheating on him, that's why.
Oh, yeah, that's right, that's right.
I'm the only mechanic that can work on this car now.
Yes. Daddy.
Hey, the least fool, this was honest, way. Not like Barraza. Oh, my other mechanic. You bitch.
Go get your own coolant, fool.
Yeah,
Go drive your car, go drive
Go
your
to the other mechanic to be the coolant, nigga.
Damn.
oh, my mechanic? Oh, fool, that shit hit me, way, when he said my mechanic. Should I run that shit or what?
Bueno, yo, güey.
No.
What is
Probably
it?
an
Which
agape.
one is it?
I don't know.
Una moto, güey.
Sounds fast,
Three
though.
wheels, one engine.
It's not 3 wheels.
Two wheels.
Oh.
2 wheels, 1 engine? No mames, güey.
No suspension.
We're giving the full detail.
Should I run that shit?
So like,
Should I race that fool?
Oh shit, who the fuck is sitting on it? Oh,
Oh shit, you're sitting on what?
I'm not even putting weight on it, you fucking.
Something's not right here.
The bolts? Oh, you have to move them, way.
Yeah.
Move it a little bit, like wiggle it, y se va.
Se va a caer el carro, la verga.
Cálmese, güey.
Se va a caer el carro. Me va a violar, le dice si le hago yo.
Oh, yeah.
¿Me dice?
No, está bien, estoy contento, dije no voy ya.
Give me llave. 14 llaves.
No, there's no llave here.
Yeah, 14 llaves. Fool.
What the
fuck? That's in my foot?
Hey, get to work. Give me llave, fool.
Hey, you're gonna go to jail, dog. You just touched a little kid's fucking pecker.
CP.
Let's go, dog.
You just touched an 11-year-old pecker. You just touched an 11-year-old pecker.
That has to
dog.
be
You're
a
gonna
close
jail.
end. I mean, open end.
I was using my ratchet.
I got it already.
Verga, güey.
No, put these
seca,
things.
güey.
Ah, estás frío.
Fuck you, güey.
I'm thinking you fast.
You put an intake foot to make it faster.
No fue por el sticker, güey.
Well, imagine if these little engines had VTEC.
That'd be fucking badass, way. You know, actually do, way.
Las
Heavy,
cuadras,
heavy,
las cuadras,
heavy.
güey.
No,
The Honda, they made motorcycles before cars, way.
Simón, güey.
they did not put VTEC in those.
Yeah, way.
That's crazy. The more you know with Luis.
That I know.
No, no.
No, porque salió que I was watching the things about Honda, way, and that's what it was saying. The guy that made Honda all that bullshit.
I'm supposed to break this way.
Well, do you know what was it? The
I don't give a shit, nigga. Don't tell me shit.
passed away.
Who?
Not the
Oh,
founder.
Toyota, the owner,
Oh,
the
yeah.
maker.
The CEO?
Yeah, that guy.
In gears. Woo. White sticks on, looking like the pale orc. Heard the wave rider south, I'm finna sail north. Frodo with the ring on my mission, heard you failed yours.